Hi guys, I'm LEEPSMART. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use this Zambia Business Manager to advertise. If you want to start our Facebook ad, we need an ad account and the Facebook pixel. As you can see, we have no pixel here. And this Zambia BN can create pixel. And this ad account is disabled. So we need to share ad account and pixel into this Immorta BN. In last videos I shared with you, I used my BN to create an ad account and a pixel. And now I can share to this Zambia BN. We click on Business Import and copy the Business Manager's ID and click on My BN to add partner to share assets. And we click Next. And now we can share our ad account and pixel into the Zambia BN, the Immorta BN. Select all. Yes, I accept. Now back to our Zambia BN, our Immorta BN. Refresh the page and you can see this is the ad account we can use. And pixels. Click Continue. Accept. Now we accept the pixel. Press again. And the next step, we need to add access to my account. Click on Add Account and select All. Give full control and pixel. Click Manager Pixel. Save change. And we are done. And now we can open Ad Managers. And in here, we are going to select the Ad Account. Then we go to the campaign. And now you see that we can create ad. We can start running a Facebook ad. That's magic.